Hello, everyone. The industrial age led to significant loss of craftsmanship as machines replaced skilled artisans. As our responsibilities start shifting with artificial intelligence, we stand to lose the following six cognitive skills. First, remembering. We can efficiently retrieve knowledge from our long term memory only if we use it frequently. With AI, our responsibilities are shifting from acquiring knowledge to retrieving information. If we stop acquiring knowledge, for example, programmers about programming and logic, and lawyers about laws and statutes, then we'll have less in our long term memory to go after. Second, understanding. When we read or learn new topics, we develop our understanding by generalizing, summarizing, translating, etc. With AI systems, our responsibilities are shifting from understanding to verification. As AI systems get better at understanding, we'll have less need to go after original source and exercise our comprehension skills. Third, applying. We apply our acquired knowledge to find solutions to new problems. With AI, our responsibilities are shifting from production to integration. When we are not building anything, we are not learning. So, how will we find solutions to new problems? Fourth, analyzing. We are good at troubleshooting and continuous improvement because we are good at scrutinizing information, break things down, tries to establish correlation, look for evidence, and make inferences about cause and effect, etc. With AI, our responsibilities are shifting from execution to oversight. When we delegate the execution to AI, we are not learning about the whole system. So when something goes wrong and manual takeover is necessary, we won't be able to effectively troubleshoot without the knowledge of the whole system. Fifth, evaluating. As knowledge workers, we are constantly making judgments and decisions about validity, usefulness, quality, etc. With AI, our responsibilities are shifting from judgment to measurement. As we delegate more decision making to AI, we will get less opportunities to practice judgment. And finally, creating. It is through acquisition of knowledge and skills like analysis, comprehension, and evaluation that we are able to apply them to create something brand new. With AI, our responsibilities are shifting from creating to giving feedback. By delegating creativity to AI, we have less opportunity to exercise our creativity, reflect on our views, and think critically. Besides cognitive skills, when we don't have ownership, how are we going to get the satisfaction we get when we create or complete something? In the next video, I'll share ideas on ways to tailor the use of AI to augment our cognitive skills. What tasks are you delegating to AI? And what is your reflection on the implications? I would love to hear.